Asam along COVID-19 na keso kilong bang surhiniang dengan kili. Apar diopani along sangpen kicho inti kiron. Claret Mohila Committee atumpen Kovi aklim Abirta dimalong Karbianglong Autonomous Council Deputy Chairman Kahumridam. Kardom binyada bertalong penili sami jilihan sepi non bertang tonpen arjik tha. Somenda radang along corona ke sobor nang ke badalong India dead along ta penangan ke sopai nang batang lo. Lason se asam along rialong ta arnibang ke sopai nang badbom si non an bang suri hini ke lejiang dengalongan nang letang lo. India along ke doan state tum kacepate along asam along penta kacepate don along remdun dead. Bonta bangso kacepate along Assam State pen kirem dun detsi apisi along se kedo nang chia potlo. Bonta Assam along ri aradatum kopai ke lang noa bangke bangso kacepate dun along non anta ke haidun ang tek nang ke batlok lang. Langdamlo pulote nihang ni repena bangke Assam se ke haithor along rilo. Ahok niliki pudam alama bangke COVID-19 na ke so ke long alam se kipudam. Piniarni asam along rialong ta ang tan pen kiwang atumang bong pen si ki ong dong COVID-19 na keso ki long pon apai ki ong no. Lason si ki damtang vosik ni pai arni asam along bang paro isi rakre isi atumapan COVID-19 na keso ang tek long pon. Kiso ki long ang tek ki long pon na ki hojai pen bang pikep ratrok, Udalgori pen bang inkoy ranar kep, Kamrup pen bang kre isi, Nogam pen bang kep, Morigam pen bang pho, Nalbari pen bang kethom, Gwalpara pen bang kethom, Golaghat pen banghini, Jorhat pen banghini, Lapen Dhubri pen inuratumapan COVID-19 na keso ang teke long pen asam along kado kabe bang suri isira pharo sir kepra nar kep anapai long pon lo. Bangso ang bong pen keso kemia pai pharo plira bang pli kepra hini, Lapen kitia pai bang pli lapen bang suri isira pharo thong kepra sir kepatum Kisu kacilang bom lang pusi Assam okpran asai kamahin kilang a Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma pen methang Twitter along pangdakpon. News Desk Report Karbianglong Live. Det pialong corona war penajok purun pho kangkir ke phahut kiduk kelak aradatum choklem chodam non anta katora ke do bom langajok MP Horen Singh be lapen CM Tuliram rong hangatum amithang jongjong pen radaphan mathasi a constituency tin sangkerap kapajara tengsi klempon bomlo. Deopani constituency angkang niphai pli arni porphai isia hot MP Horen Singh be lapen Karbianglong Autonomous Council CM Tuliram ronghang atum kapen kharating pen Deopani constituency VDC chairman Sonjit Lekthe lapen Silonijan Lems chairman Khogen Teron atum patir piponsi Upper Deopani Khor Singh LP School Ben Singh Jilangso Inglong Chedon Tarkong Limjer LP School Bordega LP School Dengja Langhon Kidu Rongagora, Deopani ME School, lapen Upper Deopani Polling Station pen Pangrongpet, Rong Inkor Rapho Arat Atumapan, Sangron Pono. Halapur Rong Asar Ratumpen MP lapen CM atum amithang jongjong pen Kiduk Kelak Aradapan, Lapuson Kisung Aporhut Sang Inti Kapajer Pon Thekapot, Kurwang Thu lapen Kachoro Pajer Pon. Deopani VDC Chairman Sonjit Lekthe lapen Silonijan Lems Chairman Khogen Teron atum Radaphan ke thanpon atingki Sorkar pen nang kapale ason un anpen ke Radaphan pipajer pon bomlo. Lapen lason nang le thubom pulote puthot ke ron pon bomji lapen kangkir abang ke dobom lang apotsi Sorkar atumpen aron ke hokpon asonan khroidunang ji. Lason si inuka nadip lapen Richard Samver nang ji puta Radaphan ke than ke mum padopon. Halapu West Karbianglong Tharve hidi arong alongta bangkep Sorkar achoko maratum chirung chireksi Don thongkep rapho kiduk kelak aradatumaphan sanghan jangthu sabon mas lapen phiroi athe ake joypen akerap pipajerpon. Bokajan pananan terang Karbianglong Live. Non malam so dihina mophan bertain ton bonik senang.
MS Punctual Stationery. Just step in once and feel the difference. MS Punctual Stationery at Rongkhelan, Dipu Manja Road, near Don Bosco Higher Secondary School, Dipu, Karbi Anglong, where you will get all things available like groceries, beverages, and personal care items. Here you will also get necessary household items like electrical items, gift items, mixer grinder, table fan, ceiling fan, rice cooker, and many more. Shop to the fullest and get 5% discount on stationery items and 10% discount on household items. Protect your pigs from African swine fever. African swine fever is a viral disease of both domestic and wild pigs, which spreads quickly and kills most of the infected pigs. Humans are not affected by African swine fever. Sign and symptom: high fever, loss of appetite, depression, weakness, red, blotchy skin or skin lesions, vomiting, diarrhea, coughing or difficulty breathing, abortion, and sudden death. Prevention: no treatment and vaccine for African swine fever. Stop entry of visitors. Don't visit infected areas. Keep the pigs in enclosure. Separate the sick animals. Do not leave food in areas accessible to wild pigs. Dead animals should be buried scientifically. Use bleaching powder about 10 to 15 gram or liter for regular cleaning. Use potash for food bath and 0.01% solution, 1 gram or 10 liter for spray inside sty. Keep in constant touch with nearest veterinary doctor. For more information, contact District Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Office, Karbi Anglong Dipu at 8790-536892 or 700-280-3658.
Dihina mo phi puthot Abirta arjupon thoik lonang. Thereti mongarong suarlotum thorpak pen Kobe aklim ki e karche Abirta dimalong Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Deputy Chairman Rite Singh hi langdam charisi Claret Mohila Committee atumaphan ning pathetekang. Kedamtang Chrysler Kebra Kretrok aningkan pen Nomati constituency kaparlo Thereti mongarong isi suarlo atum thorpak pen adungarai along lechi raidonsi aningkan wangta ason saichetiki bom bang bomlo. Pining aningkan lethata Claret Mohila Committee pen chepatir piponsi Kobe aklim ki e karche Abirta dim selamponno. Alang litum ahin pen ansose lahai ki e karche ahin kapang tang lapen kapaprang dun thekjia phanpura Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Deputy Chairman Rite Singh hiaphan manpeng pen kacho phatengsi wosek ni phai pli arni kahomri padodam. Kahomri damahot theria rong soarlo lapuson bidikimi rong rup kaching thur lapen kithe ang akrong ke japon thekapot Deputy Chairman Rite Singh hi ahin pen kachoro pajerpon. Lapen ke bangjilang arni sitami un an ke nang cherap chitu dunji pu ning pathetikangsi alangli jongjong pen tangka sitami ke rapajerpon. Halapu limu aklim Kobe aklim lapen kaprek atheng pi aklim sitami saika matum pen chingki chithansi prabjin pen nangki parapon jephan bor idam puputa Claret Mohila Committee atumaphan ning pathetikang. Kahomri damahot Mondol Dunmai Phu Prodip Inki VDC Chairman Thorom Pro Gojante Rang lapen Local Committee along kacharab dun atumta chitong dun. Theria rong so arlo arara tumaphan lapuson bidikimi rong rup kaching thur lapen kathe anga krong ki japon thekajok Deputy Speaker ahin pen kachoro alam the pajar tekang lapen un an cherap chitudun puputa lamthe chechak tekang. Teke Langjon High School adim puthar Higher Secondary ang dengan keman dun theka puthak EM Raju tiso kahomri padodamsi Science pen Art sang deng kibi ponjiaphan cheparai ponno.
Tekelangjun ahavar alongta higher secondary angdeng kido kenang sort puajok Tekelangjun ahavar arat lapen Tekelangjun high school thanbang atung chelangsi kedamtang penangan aning kanpen kihang cepaduka joini kedamtang bosik ni phai isi arnian ke Tekelangjun high school adim higher secondary school angdeng nang manlo laso puthak piniana lopor phai kre isi malom em raju tisu Tekelangjun higher secondary school along humri damsi science pen arts angdeng kibi ponjia puthak maing nipon SMDC amai phu Deep Singh Ingtipen kachapahem phu amai along Tekelangjun Higher Secondary School principal Jivan Chandra Bhuyan ahin pensi mai ke phalam the jai SMDC mai phu barim Khoya Singh Rongphar LEMS chairman Omarjit Ingti Wellborn English School principal Raju Ronghang Rising Sun English School principal Rotin Rongpi atong tendanglo Tekelangjun High School thanbang phu bangphi lapen
Tekelangjun High School khon upgrade kori higher secondary পঢ়া হোৱাৰ আমি যি অৰ্ডাৰ আছিলে সেই অৰ্ডাৰ লৈ এম ছাৰ আহিছিলে আমাৰ টেকেলাংজন স্কুলত এখন মিটিং হৈছিলে আমি বহুত ষ্ট্ৰীমৰ কাৰণে আমি পাৰমিশ্যন পাইছিলোঁ আমাৰ এম ছাৰ লগতে চিএম ছাৰ এমপি ছাৰ তেখেতসকলৰ সহায়ত আমি এইখন পাবলৈ সক্ষম হ'লোঁ আৰু এই বৃহত্তৰ চামালাংচ এলেকাত আমাৰ টেকেলাংজন হাই স্কুলত আপগ্ৰেড কৰি যেটো সায়েন্স ষ্ট্ৰীম দিলে আৰ্টছ ষ্ট্ৰীমৰ লগতে এটো চামালাংচ লগত এতে প্ৰথম আমাৰ এইখন স্কুল
Karbi Language Teacher Association atumpen pini CM Relief Fund along tangka suri phokepra isira pharo isi kirap kipidon Det biang kang corona abur penajok cheklo jon thom plengkai phita corona abur kang dang bomlang ajok penang anara ratum kisung chechak nanglo corona abur ki umplo bapor hut kidu kilak adara tuma phan sanghan kiron ponalong KAAC kacharia tumdet ke kiron pacetang ponlap uni pumatha dunsi aning ke me parpik abang phubang phiatum CM Relief Fund along akira pidum bomlo Lason se pinili thota Karbi language thanbang atum tami lapusona kisong por hot matha dunsi alang nitum thanbang doan tangka chirung chereksi bosik ni phai thi arni apor ki me chelongsi KAAC CM asar hemalong an palidamsi suri phokebra isira pharo isia tangka CM Relief Fund along akera pidun Lapusona por ki me kachelong hot pacheton dunsi Karbi Language Association atuma hinpen Karbi Language Teacher atuma phan bainong pabatnangji lapen kithir thep anghoi pekponangji bua phuthak pinpur alosetami CM tuliram ronghang phan pajiotekang
Teacher tum suri krehinia dim suring ko raplian pabat ponte mesenji lapen provincialized go provincialized along kethan ME school gov ME school apen high school along kethan akelti atum han ke chiklo yona bainong suri kep long bomlo la suri kep adim suring koi kipi pansin tum hanglo lapen recognize a category atum han suri pho long bomlo lang litum la suri pho pen suri krehinian nongnam nang litum Karbi Anglo Autonomous Council Executive Meeting along dolo pulotang tenang litum nang chingwai pipon pupusining thepar pik
Pini Adap Abirta ke lapon sekang toniglo do methak me kardom